Understanding the subtle and often nuanced ways girls give openings for you to make a move requires attentiveness, respect, and a keen eye for detail. These signals can be verbal, nonverbal, or even situational, and interpreting them correctly can pave the way for a deeper and more meaningful connection. One of the most significant nonverbal cues is eye contact. When a girl maintains prolonged eye contact, especially if she pairs it with a smile or a coy glance, it's a strong indication that she's interested and comfortable with you. Eye contact is a powerful form of communication, conveying interest, curiosity, and a desire for more interaction. In addition to eye contact, body language plays a crucial role. If a girl often finds reasons to be physically close to you, leans in when you speak, or mirrors your actions, these are signs of attraction and comfort. Mirroring, in particular, is an unconscious way people show they are in sync with someone else. Light, playful touches, or finding excuses to touch your arm or shoulder can also be significant indicators. This physical closeness and touch signal her comfort and desire to connect on a more personal level. Conversational cues are another important aspect to consider. If a girl frequently engages you in conversation, asks personal questions, and shows genuine interest in your life and experiences, she is likely opening up to you and inviting you to do the same. Girls who are interested might also compliment you more often, whether it's about your appearance, your achievements, or your personality. Compliments are a way of showing appreciation and admiration, creating a positive atmosphere for deeper connection. Paying attention to how she reacts to your stories and jokes can provide further insight. If she laughs readily at your jokes, even the less funny ones, and remembers details from your previous conversations, it shows she values your interactions and is invested in what you have to say. Sometimes, girls will drop hints about their availability or interests, such as mentioning they have no plans for the weekend or expressing a desire to try an activity they know you enjoy. These hints are often subtle invitations for you to suggest spending time together. Her willingness to spend time with you, even in group settings, can be a strong indicator of her interest. If she consistently seeks you out, includes you in her plans, or suggests activities you could do together, she is likely hoping you will take the initiative to ask her out. Social media interactions can also be telling. If she frequently likes your posts, comments on your updates, or initiates conversations online, she is likely trying to get your attention and show her interest in a low-pressure environment. Friends play a significant role in these dynamics as well. If her friends start treating you differently, teasing her when you're around, or making an effort to include you in their activities, it's often because she has expressed her interest in you to them. This social validation can be a way for her to signal her feelings without having to state them directly. It's important to be mindful of context and individual personality. Some girls are more forward and direct about their feelings, while others are more reserved and subtle. Understanding her personality and comfort level is crucial in interpreting her signals accurately and responding appropriately. Respecting boundaries and comfort levels is paramount. Misinterpreting signals can lead to discomfort or misunderstandings, so it's important to proceed with sensitivity and caution. Direct communication can often clarify intentions and feelings, making it easier to navigate the complexities of romantic interest. Expressing your own feelings and intentions respectfully and honestly can help build a foundation of trust and mutual understanding. In conclusion, recognizing and interpreting the ways girls give openings for you to make a move involves a combination of observing nonverbal cues, engaging in meaningful conversations, and being attuned to her comfort level and personality. By paying attention to these signals and responding with respect and honesty, you can create a positive and respectful dynamic that fosters a deeper connection. This approach not only enhances your understanding of her feelings, but also ensures that both of you feel valued and comfortable in the process, paving the way for a meaningful and mutually satisfying relationship.